Thank you for calling Tire Service. Moment. But if you leave your name and number, we'll be glad to get back to you.
We'll get back to you after we're out of bed.
5861.
No.
Yeah.
We got
Yeah.
two different. They're coming up on us on the left and the right.
Yeah, look out for that deer.
Okay, ready?
Ooh, yeah. All right, hang on there. Hang on. Put that.
Start. Okay, go.
Okay, here we go. Chocolate butler.
The Harmerville sky.
Got some rubbing that hair on my arm there. All right, there we go. Now, grab it. Hurry. Get it.
Fart flavored.
Get it. All right, there it goes.
I'm sorry.
Oh wait, are we leaving a message here or what?
All I know is I rented a boat. You son of a bitch. Good night.
Hello? Are you on the phone or what? What's going on here?
I get very lonely out here.
Well, what do you reckon? Hello?
Yeah, this is Tire.
Yeah. Did they find that thing that you were looking for?
I don't know who you're talking to. What you talking about, buddy?
Elvin, Go ahead,
My
Jared.
name's Elvin. We had a problem with the truck. We called you about 4 times already. Ain't got no answer.
Well, you got to answer now. What can I do for you?
We do have a service we need to get on this.
Where's that?
You familiar with the Gendelson Company?
From where?
Gendelson.
No, this is Tire Service on North Carolina.
You need to get familiar with it right away. We need help right now.
Where are you at?
We're in the southern part of North Carolina.
In what?
You know about Gendelson's and their situations. The company. Shit.
No.
They own all.
I think you got the wrong number or something, brother.
Oh, I'd like for y'all to help us out. That'd be ideal. We're at 19th and Minnsbury.
Thank you for calling.
Somebody there just rang my number. Hello?
Yeah, this is Tire Service. Somebody from over that number, drunk, just called and woke me up.
This phone didn't ring your number.
Yes, it did. Or somebody used it to call me for something.
You're calling me.
No, I'm not. I just answered this phone.
You call somebody else at midnight. That's against the law.
Excuse me?
We've got mosquitoes and yellow flies through dog days. What'd you tell me your name was?
It's Tire Service. That's who it is.
Truck driver?
No, I'm not a truck driver. I own Tire Service.
Do you drive cross country?
No? You got the wrong number, brother.
Where are you located?
Excuse me?
Georgia. I used to own a house that was probably, my bedroom was probably 100 to 125 foot away from a railroad track. Does that turn you on?